Welcome to another video. In this video, we will see some exciting features of the Windows 10 operating system. Let's begin. What if you like something and you want to search for similar things on the internet, but it is in image format? This method may really help you. Here I have a shoe and I want similar shoes. Did you feel the taskbar is big and it occupies more space? If yes, don't worry, you can minimize the size. You can easily drag your taskbar and place it wherever side you want. Suppose you have opened multiple tabs, and you want to go to the desktop window. Don't worry, you don't have to minimize all tabs step by step. Just move the pointer at the bottom right corner and click, all tabs will minimize. In this GodMode, you can have all settings in one folder. Just create a folder and rename it. The name is given in the description. You can create a slide to shut down your system. Just create a shortcut and provide a link to slide to shut down. You can easily rotate your screen and play with your friend. Press Ctrl, Alt, and arrow button to rotate. You can easily change the font size, font family, background color, and font color of your command prompt. Press the Windows button and dot. This will unlock Windows emoji. How do you switch from one tab to another? Here is a simple method. Just press the Alt and Tab button. This will show all tabs. You can switch just by pressing the Tab button or arrow key every time with the Alt key.